Patience pays off very well in these markets, but sometimes we just want to get our hands on that next shiny thing, usually quicker rather than later. So basically, yeah, the market has had a massive correction. We've seen our standard 30 to 35% correction here in the markets, but I will say at the end of April, we've got something super exciting that is happening. There's a new coin going live. It is called Waygu Cash, and I want to share this with you guys. Really want to show you this meme, which has, in my opinion, 2 to 100x potential. It could do anything. It could go crazy. The network of people within this ecosystem of this coin, the untapped power, it's insane. You know, whether it's just looking at the team, the devs, or the people that will be talking about it and sharing it with the world, you know, together it could be a recipe for an absolute strong launch on the Solana chain. So launch incoming soon. It's going to be around the end of April, guys, so keep your eyes peeled for it. Of course, there will be a link down below. So yeah, Waygu Cash is what it is. You can see it's on the horizon. It's programmed 1000x send, and everything looks literally so bullish about this ecosystem so far. Let me just remind you guys as well of the 888 meme, right? So similar sort of team, marketing strategy, and some of the biggest and best devs in the world will be helping push this Waygu Cash. You know, obviously they've got a good track record with projects. Look at this, the chart. So we called this one all the way down here, the 888 token. You can see we called it right down there, and it went up 3,300%. That's a 33x for anyone that's inside my Discord who got the contract address nice and early as a crypto legend patron. So let's just talk about it a bit more in detail. So premium cut gains on chain, Waygu Cash, a memetic movement of strength, honor, and conviction poised to flip the 25 billion vegan market, which they're saying is inevitable over here. So yeah, it looks really good. They've got 1.2k followers at the moment. They'll be launching around sort of the end of April. So this could be a real good April play here to maybe rain check or save for later or add to your bookmarks and return to later. What you can do is check out down below a link which will take you straight to the Waygu Telegram, where you don't want to miss out on any of the hot news and things that's being shared within that Telegram group. It's very important that you do check out that Telegram, do your own research and due diligence. But yeah, look, while most of the crypto is in the red, we remain patient, growing exponentially and building an unstoppable movement. If we launch today, it would be life-changing. Drop your shitcoins and get your Solana ready for Waygu Cash. Seriously, looks like it's going to be something insane. They're already getting a lot of engagement, a lot of retweets, and I think even with this terrible sentiment we have in the market, you know, this token could actually have a real good chance at doing something very good. Waiting for the CA, waiting for a 1000x. We don't chase trends, we set them. If you're seeing this, you're early. So they're seriously hyping up the market. You know, there's so many big names that will be talking about this, like literally hundreds and hundreds of people will be talking about this token when it does go live. So this could really be a massive rush. I don't know if it'll go up for 2 weeks, 4 weeks, 6 weeks, 8 weeks, or just keep on going up. But yeah, for sure, I'm very excited about this particular token right here. We know the market is rocky. We know things are risky, but this is one that could be very good. So just making this video because it's one that I've done a bit of research on. I know that the circle, you know, of this token is well connected. I know they can tap into places in the market that can allow for hopefully big growth. I mean, I hope anyway. I mean, it's always speculative, but hopefully it's not just a rumor and it will just be true, and hopefully we'll see a lot of big gains out there in the market for this coin. So do remember, guys, this is not financial advice. I've got no idea what will truly happen with this token, but my gut is telling me it's going to be a good launch. So it will be indeed shared within the Jacob Crypto Clan Discord, which you can find down below. And you know, crypto legends will get that contract address nice and early, and then it will be shared with the sort of lower tiers within the Patreon, and then it will be shared with like the public and things like that. So sort of a first come first serve depending on what level of patron you are. It's $100 per month to become a crypto legend, but the last time we did do a call out like this, it did indeed deliver 20 to 30x. So it could be an insanely good opportunity. I honestly don't know yet until it happens. I don't have a crystal ball or anything like that, but yeah, otherwise you can become a crypto warrior, a crypto hunter, or a crypto degen for just $4 per month and still get yourself involved in some very hot things within the market. So yeah, you know, we've got trading signals, we've got loads of good stuff here, very juicy. We're working our hardest to make this one of the most resourceful, prosperous discords out there within the blockchain environment. We've got a massive new indicator coming soon, which you can't wait to share with you. But just on the screen are some of the massive trading wins that some of the guys in the group have had already just over the last few days. So it looks like whether the market is up, down, or sideways, there's still opportunity for everyone as well. But yeah, really, really exciting because it really reminds me of the AA8 token that we had. And I think the strategy will be quite similar. And, you know, I'm not saying for sure it will reflect what we can see here with what happened on this particular token. But even despite this downside that we've seen, you know, this AA8 token is still trading higher than when we first called it. So we're trying to get people in as early as possible. And the Jacob Crypto Clan community might be your gateway into being able to get in during a very prosperous time, which could be very early on a project, depending on when we can find out more details about the launch. So it's all about having a, you know, a good network, I suppose you could say. But yeah, really, really bullish to see what could happen. You know, if it 10x is amazing, 5x is amazing. In a market like this, anything, even just a small 3x would feel amazing for most people right now, especially following a lot of losses and downside that we have seen in the market recently too. So Waygu Cash, guys, like I say, Telegram down below. Have a little look at it. Share it around with your friends. This video in the, you know, if they're interested in meme coins and things, you can see Waygu Cash, 112 posts. They will be growing more and more. So keep your eyes on it. And yeah, fingers crossed, it will be that next massive ecosystem and coin. So, yep. That's about a wrap from here. Make sure you subscribe if you want to hit your crypto goals this coming bull run. And yeah, see you guys soon. Share, like, hit that notification bell. Bye for now. And remember, this is not financial advice. Peace.